Good morning, Wall Street winners. It is Wednesday, July the 2nd, and we are still in this turbulent tariff time. We've heard from President Trump this week saying that he might increase Japan's tariffs to 35%, which on Liberation Day, the highest number for Japan, I believe, was 24%. So that's an 11% arbitrary increase just because they're difficult to deal with, apparently. So the man's all over the board. It's creating a great deal of uncertainty. Makes it very difficult, I'm sure, for countries to negotiate with the U.S. when they're negotiating at the table. And then statements like this, rash, really unscripted statements are made by the president, which kind of throws a wrench in things. We saw that Mark Carney, you can see in one of the headlines below and past it, he conceded on the digital tax to the U.S. this week to allow Canada to get back to the negotiation table with the president and with his administration and his staff. But that's just what's going on at the geopolitical level. If we take a look at the futures, what you'll notice today is everything was in the green. The NASDAQ is now in the red, but only slightly. We're waiting on a jobs report out, I believe, tomorrow at 8:30. So we'll see what happens there. That could really set the tone. We've got the Independence Day holiday on Friday. The big, beautiful bill passed the Senate. It's now waiting for it to go back to Congress, and Congress has it. They now need to further debate the changes that have been made by the Senate and hopefully approve that by the arbitrary date of July 4th for President Trump to make an announcement. What I'm really liking in the market right now are some of the financial stocks. Now, they are definitely overpriced in many cases, but two of my favorites, one of them is Apollo Global Management, APO. It gets relatively attractively priced in the low 140s. But my most favorite right now is SoFi. SoFi has had an incredible 5 days. It's up 11.29% in the past 5 days. It's dropped down from its highs, and I think it's in for a bit of a bounce upwards today. Now, that said, the pre-market, it was trading up a little higher. Now it's a little lower, and then it just went higher. So we'll have to see where it opens, but I think it has the potential of getting back up into the 1780s, almost maybe to the $18 range. So that's one I really like. Goldman came off yesterday. It was down slightly. I think it's going to rebound today. Morgan Stanley, not too bad there at 141. Again, these are all overpriced, but they continue to move higher, and I'd rather be getting into something that is moving higher than moving lower. So I'm focusing on that. The other one that I've been very focused on lately is Google. And one of the things that we may or may not see in the chart here is, on Friday here at the end of the day on Friday, you can see that it's 327 and then 348. Right at the end of the day, this thing just spiked like crazy and went from 174 up to 178. And that could have been end of the month rebalancing by institutions that caused that. I'm not 100% sure. But anyway, it was a very nice spike. It's come off that and dipped back down into the 176s. I think it's extremely attractive at this price. So I've been doing buying and selling a little bit of that. The other one that I've been buying and selling a little bit of on moves from a good friend's suggestion is RGTI, Rigetti Computing. It's one of the large, oh my gosh, I'm forgetting the name of it. One of the quantum computing, thank you. One of the large quantum computing stocks. And this one trades in a bit of a range as well. Down at 1133, it has the potential to get up to 14. I don't think it'll go to 14 today. It would be nice if it did, but I think it'll pop around in like a 30 to 50 cent range. And that's a great one to get in and out of and make a fairly decent profit. And it's a lower price stock as well. Good luck in your trades today. If you're liking the videos, please hit the like and subscribe button.